Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have this baby protection set, and my grandson, he is getting towards that walking stage, so I thought this would be cool to get. So open that up, and it is vacuum sealed, which is really neat because you can automatically see this thing inflating. All right, so while this starts expanding, let's go to the kit. So we have these cute little grippy, I guess they're like knee pads and elbow pads. Pretty cool. That's pretty neat. All right, so you got a bunch of those. Then you got a bunch of grippy socks, which is great. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of those. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of like the elbow and knee protectors, and then you get this little backpack that they can wear. So you put that around them, and then this would protect their head if they fall back on something, and the elephant trunk just for cute and decoration. But yeah, that's what that is. So they wear that to protect their head if they fall backwards while they're learning to walk and stuff. So what a neat little thing. And yeah, let's go put this on my grandson and see how it works out. We'll be right back. All right, so this is Aiden all geared up. He's got his knee and his socks, and then he's got his little backpack, so when he starts walking and he falls backwards, he will be protected. All right. Brian from Garage Mahal, and Aiden, be safe out there.